Yeah, hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to say installation of IntelliJ Idea. So let's get started. Okay, before starting, I'll explain you about IntelliJ Idea. So IntelliJ Idea is an IDE which is used to develop our do our development in Java, Kotlin, or any languages. So here we are using uh, IntelliJ Idea. It's very popular these days, and also we'll see how to install and how to use it. So let's get started. I'll open Chrome browser. So first of all, I'll tell you how to download and how to install. Please follow the steps. Okay, so just have to type download IntelliJ. So you can see this is the jetbrains.com. So it's an official site of IntelliJ Idea. Click on it. Okay, you can see here three tabs: Windows, Mac, and Linux. So IntelliJ Idea supports all the platforms available. So in every platform, you can see there are two versions available. So there is Ultimate and Community. So Ultimate is a paid version and Community is a free version. So as it's a paid version, it provides a lot of functionality, lots of feature. So we don't have to worry. We'll use a community version, which is free. It's an open source. Uh, and it also provides a lot of good functionality, good features. So there is no problem what we are doing. So will not face any problem in writing Java code. So it's better to use community version. I click on it. Now you can see there are two options available: .exe and .zip. So you can click on any and you can download any. So I'll prefer exe because both will do the same thing. I'll click on this. After clicking on it, it will start downloading. You can see, yeah, it started downloading. So you can see here, Idea IntelliJ has been downloaded. It's a community version. So we'll double click on it. So it is loading the setup. After double click, you'll get this pop-up. So you just have to click on next button. So this is a destination folder path. So you can choose it as your drive is available. So mine C drive is also have a good space. So definitely I'm not going to change it. You can change it if you want to change the drive. So I'll click on next. Okay, on this screen we can see a lot of checkboxes available. So what I'll do, I'll only check this 64-bit launcher. This is a create desktop shortcut, which will be useful whenever you want to start our IntelliJ. Rest we will not do anything. You can see the option download and install 32-bit JetBrains runtime. So this is for if you have a Java of 32-bit. So you can go with this. There will be no problem. But if you have a Java of 64-bit, it will not able to open. So one thing that you have to notice, you have to make sure like before installing IntelliJ IDEA, you should be having a proper Java available with you. So if you're using 64-bit Java, do not check this. Click on next. Now I click on install button. So you can see all the folders are getting extracted, it is getting downloaded, and this is how the installation is going on. So it will take a couple of more minutes, so we can wait till it get installed properly. Yeah, so now you can see installation is done. So you can click on finish if you want to open it right now. So you can click on this run IntelliJ IDEA community version. Click on finish. So it will open. Yeah, now we'll get this pop-up. So we don't have to do anything. We just have to go by default selection. We'll click on OK. So we're not doing any setting import. I will click on it. Okay, so you just skip it as of now. This will appear only when we are creating for a first time. So this is the basic setting that we have to do. It's loading. Yeah, now this window has come. So there are three options: create new project, open and or import, get from version control. So if you are new to this IntelliJ Idea, and also Java, so do not worry. Just have to focus on the first one. We'll click on this, create new project. Uh, Now we will get this screen. So you can see whatever Java you have installed and configure, it will populate over here. If not, then you can do it manually. Okay, by going this particular path. So mine is already configured. So I have a two Java. So this is the latest one. So it has selected by default. So you don't have to select anything. Just click on next. This is to check boxes to create project from template. So we are not using any template right now. So we'll just click on next button. So here you have to give a name of the project that you're going to create. Suppose if I create first Java project. So we'll just click on finish. So it will create a project with a name. So you can see the project has been created. So this is how your ID looks like. So if you click here, so this pop-up is for tips. Whenever you'll open this, you'll get this tip. So I would recommend not to don't show those tips. Don't check this. You can close it. Read the tip and close it. You'll get every day some tips. So it's good to have if you're new to IntelliJ. So you can expand it over here. Like so, it's indexing. So it is taking time. For it's a Dracula view, so I can show you. Go to File. So you can also change the color of the background. Go to Setting. Yeah, so this is Dracula. If you want to change anything else from here, so IntelliJ Light, Windows 10 Light, so you can select any. This will make your screen white background. Yeah, you can see works. This is how it works. Okay, one thing I can add, one more thing. In source folder, if you click, if you do right click, here you can click on this. So you can name any Java file name. So it's a first Java file, you can say. So just enter that. Yeah, now you can see the project has been created. So this is how you can uh, configure your. Yeah, now this ID is ready to work. Whatever will. Hope it was helpful to you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. See you again in next video. Thank you.